Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today is 2nd of January 2026, and as I already told in my shorts also that I am going to start a 30 days 30-minute challenge of Python for DevOps engineer. So in this course, whatever the thing I'm going to cover in this video, I will explain. So stay touch with me. First thing is Python for DevOps engineer. So mastering real world automation and what you will learn in this course. Let's start. First about this course. So this course is for like 23 hours and 35 quizzes will be there, 25 coding labs will be there, sorry. And who is this course for? So this course for DevOps engineer, in that SRE system administrator, and for cloud engineer. And why Python for DevOps? This question randomly came in our mind. So Python is for automation, infrastructure management, CI/CD pipeline, and even for scripting also we need Python. That's why we are going to learn Python as a DevOps engineer. Next thing come in our mind, course goal. What is the goal of this course? So my goal is simple: build production grade automation, write reliable Python scripts. So for that only I'm going to start this script, because when I started my career as a DevOps engineer, in that point of time I was not known completely Python. So Cell I used, but nowadays everyone is using Python. That's why I bring this series for you guys, so that you people will not face any problem. Now, DevOps automation visions. So, move beyond scripts, build reusable tools. So, for that also, Python is required. And what make this course different? Because if you will go to YouTube or Udemy or Skill Build, so many application is there, LinkedIn is there, you can learn a lot. But why this course you have to prefer? Because this is only focused for DevOps. No web, no data science. If you'll go anywhere, they will say, learn Python. But that is for mixing. QA also Python is different. For developer also Python is different. But this course is dedicated for DevOps engineer. And that only make this course different and unique. Now, hands-on learning also we will do, like practice driven, real world labs, and production ready code also, like logging, error handling, testing, everything I will teach. Section overview like Python foundation on CI/CD, Python setup, installing, how to install Python, virtual environment, how we can create, how can isolate environment, and dependency management, variable also like data types, control flow, list I will discuss, like what is tuple, set, dictionary, means data structure also we will discuss. Functions we will discuss, like reusable code, parameter, do see string, and object oriented programming. Why Python is object oriented programming? In that, classes, inheritance, what is inheritance, like generators, lazy evaluation, efficient pipeline, decorator also, reusable logic, how can we do, even error handling also we will learn. uh, managers, like resource safety with statement, how can we do, logging basics, why logging, log labels, JSON logs, rotating files, path libs, file handling also we will learn, regex basics, and serialization like JSON, YAML, and CSV both we will learn. Environment variable like .env, configuration management for environment variable, that also we will learn. Next, file system automation. In that, copy commands like move, delete, everything we will learn. Sub process module, run system command, error handling, REST API, even authentication, how basic auth, token based auth, how can we do setup, that also we will learn. Retries and resilience, like timeout, exponential back off, static typing like type hint, code safety, advanced typing, uh, testing with Pytest, parameterized test, reusable test, coverage, mocking, project structure, and like pyproject.toml also we will learn for modern Python's projects, and CI/CD introduction like why CI/CD and automation pipeline, GitHub action like workflows automation, and testing in CI, how can we do automated quality check, publishing libraries, and cementing releases, real world project, what you will be able to do, build DevOps tool, automated workflow, career benefits is most, and why learn from me only, and what next. So this journey is for Python plus DevOps, and it will become a power for us. Now, this is a thing which I am going to cover. So this course is in some section. Let me show you. Yeah. Uh, uh, uh. Yeah. So Python for DevOps mastering real world automation. In section 1, welcome and introduction, I will teach. In section 2, testing up and running. In section 3, Python foundation and control flow logs, so and Python data collection quiz. So full syllabus I'm going to upload in GitHub as well as in my Telegram channel, so do follow there and you will get the full content that what I am going to cover in this series. For example, many things is there here, so each and everything you will get there. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha, and the day 0 is completed. From tomorrow I'm going to start this class as a day 1 of Python. Thanks.